Dr. Aditi Deb and I'm a consultant ENT surgeon attached to Neotia Mediplus. I've been coming here for last 3 months now, and today I'll talk to you about a very common problem patients come to us with is dry cough. Mostly people think that it is allergic and they go to different doctors, they go to general physicians or over the counter. They get medicines, they take anti-allergic medicines, they take syrup and everything, and finally when the issue is not resolved, then they consult an ENT surgeon. So recently, for last 3-4 years, what I've come across, or maybe more, because of this erratic lifestyle, many people they are coming up with dry cough, and when we ask them about their lifestyle thing, like they stay empty stomach for long, and what happens, and irregular food habits, and say suppose they are getting up at early mornings around 6 o'clock, then they have their breakfast around 9, and then the next meal will be say around 2:30, or maybe they are skipping. Then many people who are coming, they are even skipping the breakfast, they are directly going for their lunch. So in that case, there's a lot of gap between the two meals. Now what is happening is there's acid secretion that goes on in our stomach for 24/7. Now if the stomach is not getting enough food, that acid tends to come up into the throat, and that can cause a dry cough, a throat irritation, or patient can present with a lump, like as if something is stuck. And then they are afraid that there's some kind of tumor or some kind of cancer or something is happening in the throat. But actually what is happening in our medical terms, we call it gastroesophageal reflux disease. So it comes up into the throat and it causes these symptoms like dry cough. It can be voice change, it can be like a lump in the throat, but not the typical acid like hyperacidity thing, like there's no pain in the stomach or there's no bloating feeling. So patients think that this is just plain cough. Now if this can be resolved by certain very basic minimum lifestyle changes, like have meals at regular intervals, avoid having refined sugar, refined flour, like moida kono jinish khaben na. Moida bolte most of the people what we think is luchi parota. Actually it's not just luchi parota. Most of the snacks which we have is moida. So avoid that. Avoid having sweets, avoid having sugar as much as possible, and then drink plenty of water, 2 to 3 liters of water, and some physical exercise. You don't have to wait for the doctor to say that you need to go for some physical exercise. Whatever suits you, whether it's gym, whether it is walk, whether it is yoga, whatever suits you, you go into for that. And very important is an early dinner and a light dinner. Don't go for avoid having non-veg food in the dinner, this thing, because it stays in the stomach for long and then it causes more acidic this thing, and it tends to come up into the throat, causing all these problems, dryness of throat, especially when you are getting up in the morning. So with few of these lifestyle changes and of course medicines which we prescribe, you see that these symptoms will resolve. But once the symptoms resolve, you don't go back to the similar routine. You continue with those lifestyle changes, and then we can always stop the medicines.